Hello everybody, thanks for joining a QA tutorial. Today we're going to go over how to get set up inside of the test management tool, TestFiesta, how to export test cases from whatever platform you're on and get them imported into TestFiesta. Let's get started.
First up, what we're going to do is we are going to get our account set up. I already have an account that's already set up with a demo project. So now that I have this demo project, let me just show you some aspects of TestFiesta. So right here, you can see you're in your test cases. This is where you can build your test cases, organize them, import them. And so if you go into creating a test case, you can go over here, use AI Copilot, and you can use context and all sorts of relevant things there. Once you create a test case, you can then use those test cases in test runs inside of test plans, and test plans inside of milestones. So when you go and create a test run, you can give it a name, test run 1, give it a start date, and give it a due date. I'm just going to give it a random one. And so from there, go next, and then you can then add the test cases that you create. And then from there, go ahead and open up that test run. So from here, this is where you can assign to, set due dates, sort by priority, and say I assign this to myself. Every user inside of TestFiesta gets their own workspace. So inside the workspace, I'll see all of the test executions that are assigned to me, whether that's test runs, etc. It'll all be there. And so what I can do is I can open this test case, add tags, leave comments, see the history, see the overview, which has the priority, the ID, the due date, and the assigned to. And say I wanted to add a defect, I could add it there. So the cool thing about TestFiesta's defects is you can actually track the defects inside of TestFiesta natively. The existing integrations are GitHub and Jira. That being said, another integration that is interesting is the TestRail integration. With that, you can import all of your test cases and a whole lot more data that comes with that. You can also use your own AI model, have a more powerful model. You can do that. Next up, I'm going to show you how to import your test cases from test management platform you're coming from, whether that is Testmo, X-Ray, etc. So in order to get your test cases out of whatever platform that you're currently using, you're going to find a button just like this in your settings in your test management tool, and you're going to export your test cases to either a CSV, XLSX, or XML format. So I've already exported my test cases, and what I'm going to do from here is I'm going to create a new project for my test cases. In this case, I'll name it Test Project 1. We'll give it a project key of Test 1. Go ahead and click Save, and then from there, I'm going to navigate to the project, and then I'm going to grab my test case file. Okay, so I've drag and dropped it in. Next, we're going to go to column mapping. This is where you then map out all of your columns. I'm just going to go ahead and go to preview, to click proceed. And then from here, what we need to do is now assign the test cases to the folder. I'm going to select all of the test cases. I'm going to drag and drop them into test case project 1, and I'm going to let it proceed through the process of assigning all of these test cases to this folder. Okay, now that that's complete, I'm going to go to the repository. And just like that, we've imported our test cases, and we can now get to work.